coming out. Okay, so the basement is here. Okay, I want to just see the inside unit first before I start outside. Okay.
If you see one bit of lightning, you come right in my house.
All right.
I will call a restaurant and we'll eat here.
I'll be okay.
Until the lightning goes.
I'll be okay as long as it's not super, super bad. And it seems like the lightning's far away.
No.
But as I was coming through Patterson, it felt like some of those lightning bolts were really close to me.
Yes.
Because as I'm
heard
driving, you hear it when you see it is scary. That means it's really close. Usually you can count seconds for the miles of how far away it is. So it's this door?
that goes down
Okay, so let me see what's...
on the left-hand side. The light is there.
Okay.
Get to the bottom.
Okay. Turn, light to the right. I don't think I hear anything running. These lines don't feel like refrigerant's going through. Okay. Our ductwork's not cool. Yeah, we're still steaming, so. Let's probably just soap it. Hardest part is I just wash away all my oil. I don't like cheating. This thing is hot. Still steaming. Almost done eliminating any evidence of a leak. Let's move the tool bag. And if the start capacitor went. Doesn't look bad, but that's just look. Fans on fan, Herms on Herm. It's critical. Check that capacitor. One last thing. Most of the soap from where I'm working. What are we rated for? 330 VAC. Gotta loosen it to see the MFD. Off. A lot of steam still from my compressor. It's quite interesting. $273. Okay. $273 microfarads should be enough to boost the compressor. Now for a compressor to get real hot, let's see this side. 135. 38. Interesting. Usually don't see them over, you usually see them under. 38. It is what it is. Compressor's still steaming. I don't think it's too hot anymore. Part of me really thinks this thing's empty. Hear my meter go beep. Okay, I have refrigerant. it's not flat. Now, compressor's hot from who knows what. But I do have refrigerant. I wonder if my start's starting to wear. This is a split second. Steam right away. Turn my meter off. Now, spins freely. Okay, microfarads, 5. Okay, before I put this on, bring this back. One for the first winding. Three 9, 1 1, 2 9. All my windings are good. Okay. This thing is really hot. Thought my windings are good, so let's finish that part. Oh, okay. There's something full of this nameplate. What the? Everything's in. Good. The wires are probably in the way now. Everything's tucked in. Bolt the wires. Should be able to start testing now. Find out what stopped the compressor. Which one am I missing? 2 for the door. Missing a door one. Not worried, I'll find it. Okay, all that's on. My pliers. Tight, 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 tight. Okay. Tight, going up there. Okay. Kind of like cross my fingers. Hope this compressor starts. I mean, that compressor's bone dry. See if it just lock rotors or does it actually start. Let's go on my compressor common. Oh my. Look at my head pressure. What the hell did I just see? Moment. Hello?
Are you still out there?
Unfortunately, yes.
Oh my God.
Your compressor was severely overheated. The pressures are really far out of whack. Has somebody worked on this machine recently or tried to put any gas in it?
No.
Okay, because I'm worried about the machine because it's not operating like it should at all. I had to wash with a hose for a while the compressor to cool it off, just to try to get it to start. So I might have to pull the gas out and put a fresh charge in. It's running extremely high pressure. If not, there's something severely wrong with the machine. But I mean, right now your high side pressure skyrockets up to about 500 pounds of pressure. It shouldn't go anywhere above 250 to 300 tops. And then the low side doesn't even pull down. It just kind of goes up. So something is not operating correctly with it. That's why you didn't have air conditioning. But that thing was so hot that I had steam coming off of it for a while. I had the whole top off of it. I was washing it with water and everything.
Oh my goodness.
So that's where I'm going to start now, is I'm going to pull all the gas out of it and I'm going to give it a fresh charge and see how it is from there.
Okay.
Yeah, but I mean,
You must be hungry by now.
actually I remember I ate lunch right before coming here.
I know, but that was what, hours ago?
3 hours ago.
So you want
But it was a
to
big meal I had.
I could get a pizza.
No, I wouldn't worry about it. But I'm gonna start pulling the gas out, and then I'm gonna see with a fresh charge how it operates. But this is really like the pressures in the machine just look like either there's non-condensables or a pinch, well, even a pinch at TXV, would cause the low side to drop down low. It's not even doing that. The low side's going up and the high side's going up, and it's starting to fluctuate like there's something not good inside the machine, which is worrying me. How is it cooled until just this?
Well, it was cooling A-okay.
A-okay, but not how it once did.
No, not at all.
Okay, so this is like a Hail Mary, hoping that this takes care of the problem. If not, you've got a really big problem with the machine. So that's why this is probably the best thing to do, is try this to see what happens. And I mean, but whatever is going on in this machine right now is not good. But it looks like there's non-condensables, that the refrigerant is not pumping correctly. But it's actually operating like somebody has put the wrong gas into it. That's kind of what it looks like, the way I'm looking at the needle move around. That's why I want to pull the gas out and put a fresh charge in.
I never had anybody.
I know. So that, I don't know what happened, but that's what it looks like. So that, therefore, I want to try to eliminate that problem if it is non-condensables by giving it a fresh charge.
Okay, well, Rainer is the one that comes.
Yeah, and it was June 25th we were here on maintenance, because I looked it up to see if somebody was just here recently or not for anything. But okay, so I'm gonna look and see. I'm hoping that this solves the whole problem right here, because the compressor is coming on. At first I couldn't get the compressor to start, but it would just got so hot that it shuts off on thermal overload.
Now, are we talking about a new central air pump?
I'm gonna see, hopefully not. I'm hoping that once I do this, you don't have to replace your air conditioning.
All right, if I do, what does it cost?
I don't know. I don't even want to think of that. I'm hoping I could fix it right now.
Oh my God.
I don't even want to think about replacement, because that means I cannot succeed in what I'm trying to do.
Oh my
Yeah,
God.
I'm trying to succeed in what I'm doing and not have to send it to a salesman, because that's not my department to sell equipment. My department is try to fix everything I run into the best I can. So I don't want the salesman to sell you a unit. I want to fix it, and when I walk away, your machine's working. That's what I want. So therefore, that's why I'm going to go the route I'm going. Where can I get electricity for my recovery machine? Is there anywhere close that I could plug in?
You know, I haven't been out of this house.
I'll do a quick walk around, because I need an outlet.
Somewhere over there.
Let's see. Nothing here. Is that an out dryer vent? What happened?
How long is your extension?
I got a 100-footer and a 50-footer, so I have 150 feet of extension.
Okay.
I could probably make it around your house with that, so.
If you go to the front of the house.
There's one, okay, because I don't see anything right here or where I'm working, so even this way, there might be something on that side? So the front where I used to be parked, okay. Because I moved my truck here to get it closer to where I was working.
Oh, okay. Well, it's
Yeah.
too far from your truck.
No, I know, it's probably right by the front door, right?
No, not by the front door.
Okay. Okay. So we're getting there. We're almost down to 0. Filter dryer's starting to freeze. My liquid line inside by the bottom of the U-bend is starting to freeze. So the suction line is all sweaty. I'm really riding the non-condensables. They're actually 410A in my system. Only one way to find out. To light this side up. Okay, well, even my little filter dryer, my pump is starting to freeze. Suction pressure, even here, is down to 0. So, now we're purging. Getting all the gas out of our machine. pump is not sounding too good lately. Actually, it's just from this job. Bent, so alright, pulling something out of the system. Which you're not going down at all on the gauge. Probably pulling some refrigerant out still that was trapped in the oil. Usually it buds right away on there. I'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, so we're getting a pretty nice vacuum right now. So now, close the pump down. Whew. Now it's time to give it a new charge. So this unit has in it how much refrigerant. Factory charge on this unit is 3 pounds 10 ounces. So 3 pounds 10 ounces. Let's close up the gauges. I'm hoping a friend of a friend didn't come by and recharge this unit with a little 410A. But if they did, it's not a problem no more. On. Okay. First, let's purge my hose. Okay. 0. Now let's fire it through till we get to 3 pounds. Half the charge is in now. Gonna stop at 3 pounds. Okay, we got 3 pounds. Whew. Two and a half ton. 2.5 ton. Fixed orifice. Yeah, whatever. I don't have a fixed orifice, so. So our pressure is equalized. Here goes nothing. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Ain't that pretty? 8 amps. My suction's gonna start going a little low, but I'm okay with that. 150 head pressure. Remember, we gotta let the system operate now. Nowhere near those crazy pressures we were just looking at. House is 85 degrees at this moment. That might almost be a perfect charge. So what I'm gonna do now is I think we need to switch. That is closed. Let me suck everything out. My gauges. Part of me thinks that I don't have to put no more gas in. We need to see what's going on. I mean, I'm still flashing my sight glass. I'll show you guys once I got the testos set up. But my TXV is going to be opened all the way right now. Gas I used this last at 410, okay. Boom, oh, I gotta go to 22. This isn't 410. Boom. Okay. This moment, 76 degree suction pipe, 70 psi, 90 degree condenser. Subcool is 6. I have 35 degrees of superheat. Let's let the machine operate for a few minutes. The house is 85 degrees, so my TXV is opened all the way. It's still flashing quite a bit. Okay. Well, that's good. This. closed it. I did. Okay. Took it from the hose. Let's open that. Okay, charge my hose. Here we go. I mean, it's still coming down my superheat, which means the suction pipe temp is dropping. A lot of flashing still in my sight glass, but that really doesn't matter. One Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi, 8 Mississippi, 9. Okay. Still flashing my sight glass, but I really do not care about my sight glass. I'd rather not see one. Suction pipes down to 70. Should check inside, see what the indoor temp is. If it wants to go up or down right now. So I'm waiting. What else I gotta put away? All these little lights. So cool. Yep, we're done. Ask for anything better. How much do I love R22? Degrees. I'm completely backing off right here. No more gas. But like I said, if there's a leak, so what? Had to really overcharge it. And I'm still flashing like crazy. That's why I don't charge my sight glass. If you go by sight glass, you would think you still need gas in there. That. This hose goes to a different set of gauges. .62 suction pipe temp. 61. I might have slightly overcharged it, but 13.5, whatever. One more light. Perfect charge. One side, do a TD. Boom. Good news, your air conditioning works. You feel it? Yeah. Need a hole in the return. So 77 on the return. 77.5 is my return. And supply. Two, just hit the 15-degree mark. Let's give it a minute. Down to 60. I am very satisfied with this. There, 19 degrees, perfect. I'm not even worried about watching it go any lower. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. Non-condensables inside an AC system. I'm Bill from the HVAC Hacker channel, and thanks for watching. I'm out.